Hello guys. This is my first video, and in this video I'm going to show you 2 ways how to make money online. 2 ways, no scammer, no need to send money to anyone. 2 ways, guys. So watch the video till the end, okay? And the first app is carefull. Okay, about carefull, okay, let me first log into my account. Ooh, that guy is being arrested. But yeah, anyway, let's get to the serious business here, guys. To use this app, you don't need any money, you don't need an interest fee. All you need is just data. Don't let people lie to you and say there's a cost, what blah blah blah. No, guys, no. Okay, let me log into my account. I am going to log in with Google. Then yes, as you can see, welcome back. Now in this app, as you can see, I have 8.5 coins, which for now I'm not able to redeem to cash. But if I reach 100, you can see down there, promo, we will pay you USD 1.50 US dollars on the same day. You know, you have to reach $100 to redeem by PayPal. It's real, guys. In this app, you get money, you get points by reading news, watching videos. Don't let people lie to you and say you have to pay something. No, you don't have to. Just go to App Store, download carefull. You will see. United Kingdom, you can do it anywhere. It pays by PayPal. In this app, you make money. As you can see, special, free. Now here's my balance. Now you see, guys, here's, let me show you proof. I was paid 10 cents. Now the currency was US dollars, but I'm in South Africa. You know, guys, in this app you make money by uploading funny videos. No, guys, as you can see, make money by uploading videos. You get points. You get points, actually, not point. You see, I'm logging. You get points by uploading videos. Then you can redeem after you have let me put it this way. Okay, you can redeem after you reach withdraw via PayPal after you reach maybe $10. You see, guys, it's an easy app. All you need to do is focus, guys. Make money. Stop going to social media and posting things that are useless. Use that time to make money, guys. Here's my cap coins, which is 2079. You know, guys, you know, you can even invest your coins. You see down there. Let me show you something. You see, guys, I used my 18 club coins I had. Then I invested for 30 days. After 30 days, it's going to be 45,000 club coins, which I can redeem to 54 cents US dollars. It's easy, guys. It's easy. Go to the App Store. It's available for Android. Smartphones, especially Android, iOS, you can do it, man. It's time to make money, guys.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was.
I just made money by watching. You make money by watching too. Let me just redeem my cap coins. You see, I got 61 club coins just by watching that video. See, it's easy, guys. Thank you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, guys, please subscribe so I can put more links. Because without you, I'm nothing, guys. I'm nothing. We have to tell the truth, guys. Now people go around and post videos, courses cost 100. No, guys, there are free apps out there that you can make money without putting any fee. Just all you need is data, and every day you can push it. We are not going to get rich, but you can do it, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you, guys. Okay.